There's no going back now, is there? So, oh my God, check this out. So for those that aren't familiar with my face or have never seen me before, I'm actually a car trader, right? I buy and sell cars for a living, and every Friday of my life, I like to get my hair cut, right? Just a little skin fade, quite a basic thing. I enjoy going to the barbers. Shout out to my barber Gordon at Emperor Barbers in Dunstable. And yeah, every Friday, get a trim, feel fresh, right? Today is a Friday in my life, and it is the third Friday in a row that I've not had a haircut, right? So to some people this isn't long, but to me this is very long, and I've got a bit of a beard on the go. So what I've done is I've bought a bit of kit there, yeah, proper pro, and and in today's video I'm going to attempt to cut my own hair. Lockdown, bit of a funny time, and it's quite enjoyable in a strange way, because you kind of find yourself being resourceful with your time, because you've got so much time on your hands that you can do stuff like cut your own hair, as an example. I did recently buy this racing simulator thing as well. That's quite cool. I'll probably be doing a video on that at some point, but bear in mind, those that are new to my channel, that this is not a channel that's going to teach you how to cut hair, right? This is, I've got a vision of how I want my hair to look at the end of this video, but I have a strong feeling that it's not going to look anything like my vision, all right? But yeah, this is a car channel, so apologies for those that are regular viewers of my channel that were expecting a car video today. Different circumstances in normal life, so we're having to compensate or persevere with the current situation, all right? So yeah, lockdown in the UK, I'm doing what I can. So let's talk about my kit. First things first, I ordered this from Asda, right? Ordered it online. It's like a grooming set, and it consists of proper clippers, a trimmer, and then a nose trimmer thing, yeah? Over here, I've got the whole shebang, the whole kit. There's your clipper with like the little lever on the side. I think that's quite an important thing. And you've got the combs there for different lengths and stuff. It looks like you've got a proper hair comb in there. Batteries. The reason why you've got batteries is because the clipper that it comes with is actually battery powered. That's random, so it's not rechargeable, so I'm not going to be using that stuff. I've got my own one, which I use myself for my face, and I've got this one which I had from a long time ago, which has got little combs on it as well, so that might come in handy. This thing here is like the skin fade side of things, and yeah, that's going to come in really handy. I bought that years ago, ain't used it for years, but I charged it and it still works fine. And then finally, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I bought it just in case, a cutthroat razor, right? So proper pro. And what I'm going to do now is grab all this stuff, head out in the garden, which is just out the other side of that window, and begin cutting my hair. Right, and should we do this? Clippers are all unpacked and ready to go. Got an extension lead here out of the shed. Plug that in. Yep, they work. Ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. Got a mirror here. Got a hand mirror just here as well, so I can check the back as and when is needed. Yeah. Now, I've never done a skin fade in my life, so do not, I know you're not expecting any amazing results anyway, but don't expect anything amazing by the end of this. I am a bit of a perfectionist, so I like to get things right. So this is going to bug the hell out of me, I know it is, at the end of it. But I will try my best to get it as perfect as I can. But I do watch my barber cut my hair even, all the time, so I feel like I've got quite a good idea of how to do it. But again, although I'm feeling confident, I'm not feeling like the result. Let's just see, yeah? So, I think what we're gonna do is gonna start just above my ear on either side, yeah? So we're gonna do a line around, yeah? All the way around, and then shave the bottom half off, all right? So if you just leave me to do that in the mirror, I'll begin, yeah? I reckon about there. Yeah, this is strange. I don't know if that's a good start or not. Let's have a look. Oh mate, that's proper on the piss. Right, yeah, that's okay. Got to be a bit higher up, so let's go to this side. So I'd say it's about there. That's definitely not right, is it? That's completely out. Bit higher on this side, I think. There's no going back now, is there? So I've just got to make this work somehow. Oh man, this side's even worse because I'm right-handed and trying to get round to the left side of my head feels so weird. That looks alright. Yeah, that is proper bad. I don't know if you can see that. You can't, can you? Oh my god, check this out. I think it's like a drawing or a painting, innit? You just keep touching it up, keep going, you'll get there in the end. That's the theory anyway. Let's have a look. Oh my god, I didn't line them two lines up too well, look. Got to get a photo of this for Instagram, ain't I? This is going to take a lot longer than I expected. It's do the skin bit, yeah? So if I just get it down to skin. Funny thing is, this is actually the easy bit. The fade, that's going to be the difficult bit. I know it is. This is a joke. Right. So I think the theory behind this next stage is you just got to go up a little bit, yeah? All the way through the line, all the way around, and then go up a grade, which is going to be number 1, and do the same again. Keep going until you get to the length of the top of the head. Sound like I know what I'm talking about, don't I? Right, let's give it a go. Oh yeah, with this out, yeah? Just take tips from me, guys, yeah? Is that right? Right, yeah. This is right. This is right. It's actually starting to look a little bit like a fade, isn't it? Mate, that ain't too bad for a DIY lockdown cut, is it? Look. I know it don't look like a proper job, but I'm actually quite impressed with that. I think that looks, it don't look good, don't get me wrong, but I've actually managed to do a little bit of a fade, which is obviously what I wanted to do, but I didn't expect it would actually work. Oh, I just flipped that off. 1 second. 1 second. Now, what I was going to say is, like, going to a barbershop is actually quite a nice thing. I enjoy going to the barbershop. I don't know if, like, everyone's like that, but I like going there, chatting to the guys in the barbershop. Obviously, get on well with my barber as well. It's just kind of like a bit of a social thing as well. So it's actually quite annoying that I can't go. But they've got Xbox there. You can chill out. You can have coffee. It's just a good little social environment. So I do miss that in general, to be fair. But yeah, barbershop is quite a good little social scene, isn't it? But yeah, on that note, I wouldn't be cutting my own hair every week because I'd miss going to a barbershop. That was my point anyway, whilst concentrating, doing my amazing job of a skin fade. Something else I love about getting my hair cut is when you walk out of a barbershop, you feel proper fresh, man. It's like you walk in there feeling old and groggy and tired, and then you just walk out and you feel good, you feel fresh, and you just feel like a lighter, different man. And I'm actually feeling that from this trim that I'm doing right now, strangely. I don't know what a haircut does to a person, but it's worth every bit of effort, I think. Good for the mind, good for the spirit, good for your mood. I tend to shave down the front as well because, like, it looks a bit bushy on the front, so I'll get that all shaved down. It's probably random to some people, but it's just how I like things. Yeah, I might need a little number 1 at the front as well, and then a little tidy up around the front as well. So switch that off. So look, how are we looking? Yeah, the back's still looking quite bad, isn't it? Yeah, I think I'll leave the fade as that, because I think if I keep attacking the fade, I'm going to end up just ruining it and going up too high and end up cutting everything off the top of my head. So what I'll do is I'll just go over the top again, get with a number 3. And go over the bottom again with the skin, and then finally the front here. Yeah, a little straighten up. Nice. This is alright, mate, this is alright. Oh, the beard one. I'm gonna cut the beard off. Beard's got to go, needs to go. Finally, the cutthroat. Tell you what, mate, that is alright. I think what I'll do is I'm going to leave it as that. Let's switch that other camera off a sec. Kai?
Yeah?
Cut my own hair, look.
What?
Cut my own hair, look.
Yeah.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah, it does look right.
Do you want me to do your hair now?
Nah.
Why?
I'm waiting for Blake.
Alright. Right then. That'll do, won't it? Back to where we started, back in my office. And I'm looking over there, by the way, because that's where my screen is. There is a line. I've sort of tried to attack this line as best I can, and the back of my head as well. I'm struggling with that, I ain't gonna lie, but you know what? It'll do, won't it? And I feel fresher. Like I said earlier in the video, when you have a haircut, you feel fresh, and I feel a bit fresher, you know, a bit less hair on my face, and it's just it's a better feeling. But I am very much looking forward to getting back to the barbershop because I enjoy the experience, I enjoy a proper haircut, and I just like being in a normal routine. So For now though, until lockdown is over, I will just continue to just cut it myself, and I'll probably have a little attempt at making it, but I don't know if I should keep attacking it or not. I don't know. I might go back to the mirror in a second, see what else I can do. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, do hit subscribe if you want to see more of me, but not more of me doing this type of thing, more of me doing car stuff. If you like cars, I absolutely love cars. I'm proper car mad. This is called Calvin's Car Diary because I am a car trader. This is a diary of a car trader, and I generally just film all of my own cars, alright? I've still got lots of content lined up for cars, by the way, so don't think that I'm now in lockdown and I've got no content. I'm going to go up to Binker and film as normal. I'm allowed to go out on the roads on my own and work, because this is work for me. YouTube, filming videos is work, so I will be filming stuff, alright? So if you are new to my channel, hit subscribe for car content and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a video. Hit like if you like the video as well, it does me a massive favour. I appreciate you doing that a lot. And give me a follow on Instagram at Calvin's Car Diary, which over the next couple of days, or where over the next couple of days, I'll probably post a picture of my finished haircut, alright? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. In the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, guys, I've got a bit of a feeling that by the time my next video goes live, I'm going to have something to celebrate. But I don't want to talk too soon, so let's see, yeah? My next video though will kind of evolve around that celebration, so I'll see you then.